guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Beth and I'm here again with another video. Okay, so I'll be doing a video about 6 ways or 6 keys on how to look elegant on a budget. You know how the economy is not favoring some people, but we are favored in Jesus' name. Okay, number 1 key on how to look elegant on a budget, even though you don't have plenty money: jewelry. You can wear a basic outfit and then put on that statement piece, that jewelry that says a lot, and then boom, you look elegant. If I was not wearing this necklace and this earring and this necklace, I wouldn't be giving. But I had to put it on and then show you guys that elegance is key and jewelry is the road to that elegance. One way on how to wear a jewelry is don't hide it. Don't use your hair to cover that necklace. Don't use your hair to cover that jewelry, that earring, because it's not giving as much as when it was not covered. Like, take me for example. If this scarf was around my neck, this earring wouldn't show, and then it will not be, I'll look basic. Well, moving on. And also, the right jewelry for the right outfits. Not every outfit is to be worn with a jewelry. You can wear a mad outfit and then it doesn't need accessory, but then you just go ahead and spoil it and you look too much. So avoid that. Don't look too simple and don't look too much. Just look just right. Okay, the second thing is the right posture. Don't slouch. Sit upright like a queen. Sit upright, and then don't drag your feet when walking. You'll be walking and then you're dragging your feet. It doesn't exude elegance at all. You wouldn't see the late Queen Elizabeth, blessed memory, dragging her feet. Okay, and then make your head high. Don't, when you enter a room, enter with your head high. That is how you should enter a room. Don't enter bowing your head and like, okay. Enter with your head high and walk like a queen. Walk like you own the place. Yes. Okay, and then once you have the right posture, boom shakalaka, you look like money. Period. Okay, your hair. Don't let your hair look messy. Your hair is a crown and it should not be messy. Head wrap, highest 1.5, you can get a good scarf and then you look pretty. Okay, bags and shoe. Number 4. Yeah, number 4, bags and shoe. You can see someone with a sneaker and then good, it has like made that whole look beautiful, and then you can see somebody wearing a heel and then boom, but then you enter a place with the slippers, easy wear. That is not necessary, my dear. Put on that shoe. Don't wear a money outfit where your gown is like this type of office outfit and then you wear slippers. It doesn't go. Bags also. Have these cute mini bags or like whatever bag that you prefer. I prefer having medium sized bags because I'm not that huge to be having big bags. So wear a good bag that would like, and let the bag match with your outfit. You'll be seeing red and orange. The outfit is red and the bag is orange. Come on, please. Highest, have a nude. The 2 colors of bags you should have is a nude bag and a black bag. Easy. You can go anywhere with, at least have one of them. Okay, the 5th key is gloss. Always have a lip gloss handy. A gloss just does something magical to you. You can have just an eyeliner and a lip gloss and then boom, you don't need so much makeup. Gloss is your go-to. Highest 200 naira, you have gotten a good lip gloss that will last you. Okay, and I will repeat, a gloss. The 6th key is smell nice. I cannot drive these points home any further. You can look all chic and all, and then you will smell so bad. Like, it's a major turn off. So always smell nice. At least one person a day should tell you you smell good. Oh my god, you like smell nice. At least one person in there should tell you that. So stock yourself with good perfumes. Good, even if it's oil perfumes, have perfumes. Don't just live your life without perfumes, because bad smell is the major turn off. And always look elegant, look chic, look like the boss that you are.